Meanwhile, India today has scooped details of India's stand during the sixth round of military talks between India and China, which lasted over 14 hours yesterday. India asserted China must move back from all friction points and demanded immediate disengagement in Pangong Tso Finger areas, Hot Springs and Depsang. The Indian side told China that a roadmap for disengagement all along the LAC must be made. India also said since China made the first move, they should pull back first and it will be reciprocated by India. Both India and China took, look at the long haul at the LAC, thousands of troops to remain deployed through the winters. Both India and China adopted a hard line in the negotiations. The main focus was to avoid military operations. All right, India today has the maximum boots on the ground in Ladakh to get you the latest. First, going across to my colleague Gaurav Sawant, who's joining us with more details. Gaurav, no tangible breakthrough or real outcome, from these number of rounds of talks, including yesterday. The only takeaway is that dialogue is still continuing.
You're absolutely right. At least India and China remain engaged in dialogue, and the focus remained to ensure that kinetic operations or a military, face-off where soldiers either fire at each other or fight with each other, that should be avoided at all costs. That's point one. Point two, extremely tough. Both India and China are adopting a hard line. What does this hard line mean? India wants China to roll back post-April 2020 incursions into Indian territory or the violation of status quo at the LAC. India wants restoration of status quo ante. China, on the other hand, wants India to roll back its Operation Snow Leopard, that top-secret operation under which India occupied some of our own unheld peaks at the LAC like Richinla, Rizangla, Magar Hill, Gurung Hill, and the domination of Spangur Gap, which also meant India's domination over Moldo garrison of China, which has unnerved China. India, on the other hand, for the first time also insisted and linked Depsang Valley incursions by China in 2010, 13 and 14 to the current standoff, saying China must roll back.
Okay.
So both sides have adopted a hard line. So far, there is no tangible forward movement, and the flip side is this means that 40,000 troops will remain deployed along the 850-kilometer long line of actual control in Ladakh through a very harsh winter where temperatures at the LAC are already below zero.
Stay on with me, Gaurav. Let me also bring in Abhishek Bhalla right now. Abhishek, what did the Indian contingent communicate to China? I mean, very straightforward. We have been asking them to move back. During these marathon talks of 14 hours, what was the focal point?
Although there is no immediate breakthrough and it wasn't even expected, but the Indian stand is very clear that it was the Chinese PLA that had made first aggressive maneuvers by taking over some of the ridge lines at Finger 4 and taking over area that had always been under Indian control. And as a result of that, things have really gone out of control in the last 4.5 months. India launched a counter operation to hold on to some of the crucial heights that were unmanned. This obviously has irked China, and that's why perhaps when it comes to negotiations for the first time, there is a bargaining power that the Indian delegation also possessed when the talks were on. But the Indian delegation has made it very clear that status quo ante is the only resolution for this situation. India has said that yes, it is willing to move back from some of the friction areas which China has been, opposing. But that will only be reciprocated once the Chinese move back from areas which had been under Indian control. The focus obviously is in the Finger area of the northern bank of Pangong Lake, but other places like Hot Springs and Depsang were also taken up by the Indian side.
Thank you so much, Abhishek, for joining us. Also, thanks to Gaurav for giving us the information there from Ladakh.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.